long gone. I have tried to make you happy. Say you said I done you wrong. Oh, I'm giving up on my darling, so I'm gone, long gone, long gone. That's how I'm leaving, long gone. Why do you cry? This is what you wanted, baby, so I'm gone, long gone. Don't try to overtake me. What a ride would be too fast. This is it, we're through forever, so I'm gone, free at last. Long gone, that's how I'm leaving. Long gone, why do you cry? This is what you wanted, baby, so I'm gone, long gone. Please don't shed no tears at parting, for your tears will not atone. After all the pain you caused me, I'm gone, long gone, long gone. That's how I'm leaving, long gone. Why do you cry? This is what you wanted, baby, so I'm gone, long gone. Well, folks, I just want to say thanks to Mohican and Sound Man, Arlen. On behalf of Sawmill Ridge, Dwight Wright, Jerry Murnahan, Tyler Ashcraft, Terry Dennison, and Sweet Tea. I want to thank you. God bless you. We'll see you down the road somewhere. Long gone, that's how I'm leaving. Long gone, why do you cry? This is what you wanted, baby, so I'm gone, long gone. This is what you wanted, baby, so I'm gone.